Hello you guys, Troy's the name. Welcome again to the SFM Digital Possibility. Today I'm calling you from Germany and out here in the campaign. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the digital age. So what are we going to say? Now you have a lot of things going on the internet. So as you know, you have different people are screaming out there to make different amount of money in short period of time. But today I want to talk to you about earning on the long run, learning about the digital skills, learning about the way the internet is set up. So all of this you could find out, you could figure it out, you could see on my YouTube account. So click the link and then you will get to see all the skills that you could learn and develop, and after a while you could use them to earn as much as you want. So with this I'm gonna sign off. Get back to you guys in a few seconds. Take care, be safe out there. Bye bye.